We got another crazy car underneath them covers. What do you think it is by them alloy wheels? They look insane. Guess what car this is by the wheels? Yes people, welcome back to Spray Tech. My name is Jawad. I'm the head videographer of Spray Tech and I am the content manager.
You alright guys, my name is Reese. I'm a trainee panel beater here at Spray Tech and I've just been doing the job just a little over a year now.
My name's Kelly, I'm front of house manager and I run the show here at Spray Tech. I do the accounts, I do the ordering, I do the booking in the vehicles, I make breakfast and I also make cups of tea.
Thank you so much. Obviously, first thing, we can't forget the big boy SVR. This is Kieran's SVR, who is the owner of Spray Tech. This is the lineup for today. First, we got the Nissan Navara, brought from an auction. We got the Audi Q3 here. We got the 218i, and we got a Vauxhall Corsa. And right here, we got a Range Evoque. Let's take a look at what the workers are doing right now.
Today guys, we have been working on the Skoda Superb. It has got a bonnet, it has a front bumper, and it also had a nasty dent in the door. We're going to blend into the rear quarter and the near side door. And we've also been getting cracked on with the Audi e-tron. We've got also another door repair and a court repair just on the arch here. Pretty nasty. And Luke today has been cracking on with this van, which isn't a nice job, but it's something that keeps you busy, isn't it?
Here we got the Honda Civic. It's getting the whole left side repainted. So as you can see there, the bumper is finished. It's drying up. We've got the whole left side drying up as well. It's looking like a mirror. Also, I forgot one more car. So we've got here, Ford ST right there. This is getting the rear bumper done. I love the orange on that though. It looks super nice, super clean. Can't forget Kieran's van as well, right there. I think he's gonna put a wide body on that, to be honest. It looks sick. Quad exhaust. If you didn't know, Spray Tech also bought the building right next to it. So that's Spray Tech right there. And he also bought the building right next to it. So in this part of the building, we wash cars, we clean all the cars, all the customers' cars, so all the customers are happy with the work. If you drop your car off at a repair shop, when you come back to pick it up, obviously, you want it to be nice and clean. And that's exactly what we do here at Spray Tech. Another one of Kieran's toys is this Mercedes Sprinter right here. Absolutely amazing van, crazy interior. Guys, look inside here. It is absolutely crazy. It is absolutely insane. We can't forget the PS5 controllers. Right there, we got a TV, so you can watch TV inside. Guys, just look at that. It's also got auto close and auto open. That is absolutely insane. This van is currently up for sale. So if you're interested, hit up Spray Tech or hit up Kieran. We've got a machine right there. We've got an absolute rocket. So that is a Sierra RS Cosworth. That is a machine and a half. Let me show you around. That looks crazy. Guys, look at that. That interior looks insane. Guys, please look at that. That's a work of art right there. Look at that turbo.
Right guys, today I'm doing a plastic repair on this ST rear bumper. I'm gluing it and I'm just about to put some filler over the top just to cover the repair. It's not too bad. I don't think I've got any other repair, except for maybe that. I need to sort that crack out as well. Just going to dig into the crack a bit so I can create something to get into. Guys, this is a plastic repair, glue, a two-part. I find it quite useful for cracks and stuff, where you can just lodge it in. And the good thing about this glue is it's sandable, so you can launch it in practically a bit like filler, to be honest, and just wedge it in there with your fingers. Then sand the excess off after 15 minutes after it's hardened. It's also very important to make sure it goes off before you sand it, because I've had it before where I've left it a bit too short a time and the glue will just peel off. So it's very important to make sure You give it 15-20 minutes to set before you start sanding. So guys, I didn't get it in the first skim unfortunately, so just had to put a bit of dolphin glaze on there just to get it now. And, cracked on with that little crack in the repair as well. Alright guys, the Skoda from yesterday as you've seen. I've shown you how not to prime the car. It's actually not come out too bad, I suppose. I put 2 coats on it to be fair, so it's actually come out alright. Currently midway just doing the door, having a little bit of a tea break because it just get quite repetitive, flat and primer, but yeah. Hopefully we'll get this ready in the booth at the end of the day, ready for paint tomorrow morning. This is the Civic you seen in the booth yesterday. As you can see, bumper's been refitted. Looks the part now though, for the car's birthday. Also tidied up your side trims. All thanks to Steve. Valet, man. You're Steve, mate. Right guys, currently trying to correct my beautiful work, as you can see. Run a bit of guide coat on there so I can spot what I'm actually meant to be working with. Bit of aerosol primer. Too far off with that? Nah, I think I f***ed it. Hasn't gone to plan. Burned straight through it. That's what you get. Should have put more coats of primer on yesterday, to be fair, so it's only my problem. I've burnt through. Well, if you've been harsh, yeah, I have f***ed up, but if you've been nice, I've just accidentally burned through. It might be savable. If you feel, I don't know if you can feel it, but that's like it's a bit like that. Break your wrist on it. What we'll probably do with this, guys, is finish, flatten this off with a bit of 400, and I'll give it a whiz over with a 500, just so it's ready for re-priming for Mark. It'll come out crystal clean after, no doubt about it. Right guys, morning to you all. Today we've got the e-tron completed. That is all finalised now. The Golf is currently getting worked on and the Skoda will be going in the booth for paint today once Mark has completed the orange ST bumper. And yeah, I think that's about it.
Fine, just drying the base coat as it's water based. So you gotta just blow it with air till all the water's gone and then it's all up to all matte. So you know it's ready for another coat.
More money. All these cars are just bottomless pits. Whether it's not the SVR tyres on that 2 Series gearbox.
Thank you for calling TPS, Volkswagen Group Genuine Parts. Calls may be recorded for training and information purposes. Shrewsbury, Luke speaking.
Hello Luke, it's Kieran from Spraytech.
Are you okay, mate?
All right mate. Can I give you the vehicle reg?
When you're ready.
Victor Alpha 17,
Yeah.
Hotel Romeo Mike.
Golf, mate.
That's it mate.
What are you after?
How much is a clutch kit for one of these?
Okay, clutch kit trades at £337.56. That's clutch plate and pressure plate. You've got 6 bolts at £1.89 a piece trade, and then your release bearing slave cylinder is £56.43 trade plus that.
Yeah,
I need to order it all in for you, bro.
Okay mate, and quick one on this. On this system, it's got Haldex or anything. It needs like a full service and everything on this, to be fair.
Yeah, like so all your fluids and stuff.
Yeah.
And whatnot. Yeah, it's got a Haldex system.
Okay, what about service kit for that?
So we wouldn't sell a service kit per se. We sell the oil, and then there's normally like a gauze in there, which just needs to be cleaned.
Okay, how much is the oil?
Haldex oil's £51.42 for 850.
The liquid gold, is it?
It is liquid gold, brother.
And then gearbox service kit, and then an engine, and then an actual service kit as well.
That's £39.67 a litre.
So in total, 39.
119 plus that. Yeah, so your Haldex was 51.42 to one of those. Your transmission oil 39.67 times 3, which comes out at 119 plus the VAT.
Yeah.
And then you've got the transfer box oil £32.35.
And then oil filter and plugs for a full service on the engine.
Spark plugs £13.18 a piece.
Yeah. Can you just give me the total figure if you don't mind? So that comes to £883.33. That's for everything serviced and a new clutch. Then I got to pay the labour on top.
Thank you for watching Spraytech, guys. Make sure you like, share and subscribe for our upcoming videos.